Our experience working with Your Home Solar has been very positive. By the time Brian and his team arrived to actually install the system, I was telling them exactly where I wanted everything, and these guys were so accommodating, and they did a really nice job. Our reasons for having solar energy or for being interested in it are it helps keep the environment better. It's environmentally good. It will have some payback because now we're buying less electricity. Those are the benefits that we see, and we're doing this for the future of our kids, our grandkids, and our country. The most notable thing I've had since then was I didn't quite understand the app. Sent Ernie an email, and he actually called me to talk me through it, to explain to me how to use part of it. And this app is nice. I'm able to see exactly how much power the photovoltaic cells are putting out. I would recommend Your Home Solar to my friends, my family, anybody that was looking for the system. And I would do that because we had such good experience with them. And the product that they supply, at least to my knowledge, everything I've researched on it, appears to be very good.